Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about variables in Python. So here I'm going to create a new file. So I will click on the plus icon here and then select on file, and let's name it variables dot, the extension is py. Okay, py. So in Python actually we don't need to mention or declare the type, the variable type. So here I'm going to say at first, let's say integer. Let's say I want to set a variable, let's say number, and I can actually give here, let's say 10. So I will say here that printf, okay, print, and here I'm going to say the number. Okay, now if I run the code, you can see the number is 10. So now let's say I want to go for the string. So I will say string. Okay, and here I'm going to say, let's say name, and if I say here like this, not really, here like this, let's say webtech knowledge, and let's say I want to print it. I will say print and say name, and if you run it, you can see webtech knowledge. So now the type is string, so you don't need to declare anything. Okay, let's say I want to print the name variable like this. So what will happen, let's see, and here you can see I'm getting the name but not the name value. Why? Because now it will work because of the double quotation. Okay, we cannot actually print the value. So if you want to print the value inside double quotation, you have to use f then double quotation, and here you just have to say the name is the channel name is, and you have to use curly braces, and inside curly braces you have to say the variable name. That's it. Now if I run it once again, and here you can see the channel name is webtech knowledge, and if I say here once again that print, if I say that f, and if I say value of the variable number is, if I say number, variable, okay, variable number is number. And now let's run it, and I'm going to remove it once again, and I'm going to run it once again, and here you can see value of the variable number is 10, and here you can see 10, right? So this is the way you can actually set variable. So you don't need any data type, you just have to mention the value. That's it. It will actually understand that the value is a string or integer. So we have multiple variables type. We have float, we have boolean, right? So all are same as some other programming language. If I say here float, let's say float, for the float you just have to say the number variable, or let's say number 2, and here you just have to mention the float value, and let's say 20.5. now let's say I want to print it. So print, I will say f, and I will say here float value is, I'm going to say here curly braces, and there is number 2. And now if I run it, here you can see the float value, and this is the way actually you can declare a variable. You don't need any variable type. That's it. And this is how actually you can print the value inside double quotation with curly braces, right? Using curly braces and f at first. Okay, you have to write f at first and then double quotation, and if you want to print something inside double quotation, you have to use curly braces and then the variable name. Yeah, that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.